Molly, it's so rainy out. Molly doesn't like the rain. She doesn't approve of getting wet. She loves snow. She loves wind and storming, and she loves thunder. She yells at the thunder. It's fun. It's been raining here for 2 days now. It's pretty unusual for here. We've got some standing water. Everything will be happy about it. As you can see, I've started changing the color of the gray wall. I finished the shed. It's that nice trim color. Yeah, I know I'm a little bit nuts about changing that wall color, but I really needed a second coat and really like the red. I think it looks really good. So then also I finished the arbor that goes into the little vegetable garden spot. I have to put another board on this side to finish the fence of it, and then I've got to stain it still. I put the little thing in the front of it, and I think it looks okay. Let's see, move the fire pit up and put the table back there. It made a little more sense to me, at least for now. But it's like my house, I change it all the time. And this is where the strawberry patch is going to be. Right now I'm just kind of filling the bottom of it with excess leftover garden stuff. See, the fountain's way back there, and it is all set for winter. Got the pump out of it, turned upside down so it won't get wet. Water won't sit in there and freeze. And these pots, everybody's still okay for a little while. Gonna have to take down the summer curtains as soon as the sun comes out again. We've got some wonderful plantain growing right here. I love this stuff. A friend gave me a couple of plants. I'm really happy. And the roses are still doing well. They'll shut down pretty soon. Anyway, everything's going well back here. Getting ready to settle in for winter, I think. Have a great day out there, guys. Enjoy the rain.